Last year, the Xiaomi Mi 4 blew us away. It had high-end components, an incredible build quality, and a reasonable price tag to match. Given the success of the Mi 4, it's pretty unsurprising that there's such a huge amount of hype for the Mi 5. And now, after numerous leaks and rumours, the specifications are all but confirmed. And let's just say, this is a smartphone that I think you should wait for. So the expected announcement is in Q3 2015 with a release date of a couple of months afterwards. This has initially been spotted on Oppo Mart, which is a Chinese retail firm that basically sells all the latest and greatest smartphones, and the Xiaomi Mi 5 has now popped up for pre-order. It sports a 5.5-inch 2K display, a Snapdragon 820 processor, 4GB of RAM, a 20MP rear camera, and a 3800 mAh battery. These specifications are mind-blowing. To begin with, the Snapdragon 820 is an octa-core 64-bit TS2 core chip with an Adreno 530 GPU, and is actually built on a 14nm process for extreme efficiency. The chip also supports LPDDR4 RAM, which is basically a faster level of RAM to the current DDR3 available. Not only this, but the Mi 5 is supposed to have 4GB of it. That is huge. Multitasking is never going to be a problem. These specifications are also supported by the one and only GSM Arena, an extremely reliable tech specification site. So the 3800 mAh battery is basically on the same level as phones like the Galaxy Note 4, a phone with basically a reputation for just a giant battery. A slight contradiction here though is that this actual site says the phone has a 16MP camera, whereas Oppo Mart says it has a 20MP camera. Either way though, I would bet my bottom dollar that the Mi 5 is going to have stellar performance in this area. So if these specifications turn out to be true, which is seeming likely at the minute, then the Mi 5 is going to have something like a 30% advantage in multitasking compared to the previous generation, a 50% advantage in GPU performance, and an 80% CPU bonus. That is huge. I mean, to give you an idea, the difference between the Snapdragon 800 and the Snapdragon 801 that followed it in the next year was something like a 5% difference. The cherry on top here is that the 820 is also fitted with a brand new Cat10 LTE modem, which offers download speeds of up to 450MB per second. So I mean, to summarise, the Mi 5 is really one to wait for. It may end up costing more, but this is going to be the best device in the world when it releases. Thanks for watching guys, and I really hope you enjoyed this video.